AP Micro FRQ number 2. I haven't seen this one in a while, so let's see if we can figure it out. Obviously set up like an externality. Identify the type of market failure. Well, it's a consumption externality. Your social benefit is greater than your private benefit. So wouldn't that imply that it is wouldn't it be a positive externality? In essence, our deadweight loss is pointing to remember, your deadweight loss triangle always points to society. So clearly this triangle is pointing to the right. That makes it a positive externality. The quantity, or the social optimal quantity that society would want, would be 24. But right now the quantity the market producing it at is 16, where MPB and MPC, the personal cost and the personal benefit, come together. That's the price of the market. So the price of the market is 6. They provide 16. We obviously want 24. So then a type of market failure, positive consumption externality. How would we know? Because MSB is greater than MPB. All right, using the numbers on the graph, identify the market price and quantity. We did that, 6 and 16. Easy enough, I think. Using the labeling on the graph, identify the area representing deadweight loss. We got it, we shaded it in, but let's write it down, DFE, nice. Suppose the government is considered granting a subsidy to correct the market failure. What is the dollar value of the per unit subsidy that would achieve the socially optimal quantity? Now recognize the dollar value is the vertical distance between these two curves. That vertical distance is the amount of tax or subsidy that we would need to fix a negative or a positive externality. So it looks like it's at its topmost point. We go vertically down. We're at 10. We go to 6. It must have been $4. Easy enough. Suppose the government does not grant the subsidy, but instead imposes a price floor at $8. So let's get rid of some of this. The government is going to come in and impose a price floor. Floors are high. We have to remember that floors are high. So at $8, it absolutely would be effective. That is our price floor right there. At $8, the quantity demanded would be 8. So we're even further away from our social optimal quantity. Understand that. Anything that takes you further away from your social optimal quantity would absolutely increase deadweight loss. We're worse off because of the price floor. How many units will consumers and producers exchange? Well, consumers only want 8, so that's all that can be exchanged. Does the price floor correct the market failure? We would say no. I would say as we moved further away, further from the socially optimal quantity, we could say our deadweight loss is actually increased. That would have also helped. I think that's it. All right, guys, take care. Be safe. Bye.